Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder, this video reflects my personal experience with the tool. Today, we're diving into VIF, found at https://web.vif.com, a robust platform that offers a unique approach to video indexing, making your content searchable and significantly more valuable. Imagine being able to instantly pinpoint the precise moment in a video where a specific topic is discussed. That's the power VIF brings to the table. It's more than just a search tool, it's a game changer for anyone working with video content, whether you're a content creator, researcher, educator, or simply someone who wants to maximize the utility of their video library. VIF employs sophisticated AI-powered technology to analyze your videos, transcribing the spoken words and generating a detailed index. This index allows you to search for specific keywords, phrases, or even topics, and VIF will pinpoint their exact location within the video. This eliminates the tedious process of manually scrubbing through hours of footage to find what you're looking for. Think about the time savings alone. But the benefits don't stop there. VIF also facilitates better content organization and discoverability. By indexing your video content, you create a searchable database that makes it easy to find and reuse specific segments. This is incredibly valuable for repurposing content, creating short clips for social media, or simply keeping track of key information. Imagine being able to instantly pull out a specific quote or highlight from a lengthy video. With VIF, it's a breeze. Furthermore, VIF enhances accessibility and engagement. By providing searchable transcripts, you make your video content more accessible to individuals with hearing impairments or those who prefer to read rather than listen. This inclusivity expands your audience and makes your content more impactful. Plus, the searchable index can boost engagement by allowing viewers to quickly jump to the sections they're most interested in. They're not forced to watch an entire video to find the information they need. Whether you're managing a vast library of training videos, creating educational content, or simply looking to improve the searchability of your personal video collection, VIF provides a powerful solution. It's a tool that transforms passive video content into an active, searchable, and highly valuable asset. So, check out VIF at https://web.vif.com and see how it can revolutionize your video workflow.